Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will understand and learn what is Oracle NetSuite. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new to my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Oracle NetSuite? NetSuite is a cloud-based business management software that helps organizations manage their financials, operations, and customer relationships. It offers features such as accounting, CRM, inventory management, e-commerce, and more, all in one platform. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Oracle NetSuite, one of the most popular cloud-based business management software that is available in the market today. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like my videos, please click the like button. Don't forget to share, and then most importantly, please subscribe. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.